Friends, today we celebrate the 25th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Today's Gospel tells us about the proper use of wealth. Let us examine this idea for a short while. First, we read about the steward who was mismanaging his master's property. When the master hears this, he tells him to make up his accounts, after which he will be dismissed. The servants ponder what he should do next. He doesn't want to do any hard labor, and he's too proud to beg. But then, he figures out a way. He'll cheat his master, while at the same time making friends for himself so that when he is dismissed, they will welcome him. Then the steward calls those who owe the master a debt and cleverly reduce the amount they owe. In this way, he cheats, making it his second offense against his master. We notice that when Jesus tells the story, he praises neither the master nor the steward. First, we see that the master gives the clever steward credit for the way he tricked him. Surely Jesus is not referring to himself as the master in the story, for he would never praise anyone who gave credit to someone who was dishonest. At the same time, as we have seen, the parable is a criticism of the steward. Now, Jesus is telling us first and foremost that we must use the world's riches with care and justice. In fact, he says, if you are not trustworthy with elusive wealth, who will trust you with true wealth? We are bound in justice to use this world's good wisely and with charity. The important word is used. We cannot overkill in idolizing goods. Since part of justice is owed to God, we cannot give ourselves to God and to money. In other words, we are called to give importance and prioritize one's relationship with God, using God's given gift wisely and responsibly, whether for personal gain or for the benefit of others. Finally, as we end this reflection, we ask ourselves, how trustworthy am I in the small things, and how does that reflect on my overall attitude and character? Where do I place my priorities in life? Is it on material possessions or on my relationship with God?